This next part says that if you have the same base on an exponential followed by a log, if they have the same bases, they will cancel out, which makes sense because they're inverses, meaning they should undo one another as long as the bases match. So as long as the base b on the exponential matches up with the log base b, they will cancel out, leaving you with whatever's inside. Here in this case, it was just an x. So if we look at this first one, we've got 4 log base 4 of 19. Excuse me. Want to make sure it's clear. We want to do log base 4 of 19. So what this means is because the exponential base 4 and the log base 4 are the same, they will cancel out because they're inverses, leaving you with just the answer 19. Same thing on the next one. We have a 12 as your base for your exponential and a 12 as your base for your log. Those will just cancel out, leaving you with the 1/3 because they are inverses. Same thing on this next one. We've got e to the ln of 2. You may think that they're not the same base, but remember, ln automatically always means a log base e, so they are the same base and they'll cancel out, just leaving you with the 2. Same thing with d. We've got 10 to the log of 3. Well, remember the log log is automatically, if you don't see a base of 10. So, and we also have a base of 10 on the exponential, so they have the same base. They're inverses. They will cancel one another out, just leaving you with a 3, whatever was inside. Now, it doesn't matter. In all of these, we're seeing the exponential first, but it doesn't matter if we see the log first as long as the bases match up. So if we have a log base b first and then the exponential base b second, they will still cancel out, leaving you with whatever was inside. So on this first one in a, we have a log base 5 of 5 to the pi. They both have a base of 5, so the log base 5 and the 5 as your base for your exponential will cancel out, leaving you with just the answer pi. Same thing for the next one. We've got an a log of 10 to the square root of 3. Those both have a base of 10. Remember, an log has a base of 10 if you don't see a base. And then we have an exponential base 10, so those will cancel out, just leaving you with the what was already there, which was the square root of 3. Same thing with this next one. We've got the natural log of e squared. Natural log is already understood to be a log base e, so it will cancel out with your exponential that had a base of e, leaving you with just the 2. Last one, we've got the square root of 2, natural log e to the square root of 2. Now notice what will happen here is the natural log and e are what are the inverses. So those are the two things that will cancel out. You'll still have your original square root of 2 that you had out in front, and you'll still have the square root of 2 that was inside. So that leaves us with a square root of 2 and a square root of 2. Now you don't see it, but what's hidden in between those two is that you're automatically multiplying. Well, square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is a square root of 4, which is also a 2. So that's our final answer, just a 2.